have my number. I've got over 6,000 people that got my phone number. You got my number, all right? You know exactly. I'll be bold enough to say how to call me. Don't be a coward and put something out on the internet when you have my number. Call me. Call me. Because we'll sit up here and I'll have you come here and we'll talk about it. We'll sit here. Don't have me call some things out. You call. Okay, I expect the world to. You guys go ahead. You have my number.
Paula Michelle White. Your posse, please. And I need you to slow your roll. And I need you to use sense. And I need you to stop the madness. Okay? What is up with this stance? What is up with this stance? Huh? You look like a B-girl. You look like you're ready to throw down somebody because they're rolling up on you and you ready to fight like you tough and whatever. Who are you trying to roll up on? Who are you trying to be hard against? Who? Exactly. Huh? Who? Me like Finua. What did you think was going to happen when you were saying angels dispatching from Africa and South America? What the heck did you think was going to happen? What you thought? What you thought? Huh? How did you think we were going to take it? Huh? You didn't think that somebody would say something. Now you ready to roll up and get all hard and like somebody's gonna, yo, you're lucky something didn't happen after service. That's all I gotta say. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's not a good look. It's not. You're a big woman. You're a grown woman. You're a woman of God. You're supposed to be walking in class. That doesn't look classy nor elegant at all. Cut the crap out.